circuit design its position in the world. Turning on my hotspot. Okay, we're starting off by getting the first control point. And using it for yes, do it because it's just easier that way. I'm thinking the second location will be over there, that corner. Stock. Come closer. Get behind you. Let's get educated. So, start off by level. There's a level. And you see here I put a little tape on with a X100. You say use tape instead of a nail. It's like, okay, I gotta put a nail every time I do a new survey. You see the little dot here? You're gonna move that dot to the center of that X. Now simply just lift this by these arms on this side. And the thing is, when you're like doing a survey, you gotta just focus on one side. That's the easiest way to get the balance. And now we're pretty much in, see the X, the dot is not in the 100, not in the X. Now, the top, I'll show you this as well. Here, you see a little bubble. Here, we're gonna put that little bubble in, yes, inside the center. Next step is we're going to replace that EPRC stick took out temporarily with a rod top. Height over there, 4.5 is accurate. We'll check the height over there. Okay, now it's going to the building, and then we get like 200 points. And we done 30 minutes. So 30 minutes of setup, 37 minutes of setup, just to 30 minutes of work. The sun's starting to come out. 7:49. We're done with this. Power off. I'm gonna get that and start running around in the spots. Look at you over here. So it's best to just get a wide range of numbers as opposed to just getting one spot. So I hate that. Girl, I can't have steps in. That is really fit at this wedding. And I'm strong. Arms aren't gonna be flabby. I'm carrying this stuff around. No, I'm gonna gotta focus. Ease lawn mowing. I take you to the exciting part. When I jump in the street, we get a quick point. And I gotta find the point for myself. I'm with my engineers on bike. Everything's right there. I saw a manhole on the other side of the street. I hope everything isn't at the intersections. Actually, there's these lines. These white lines means there's LED. Yellow means, red means electric. Yeah. Yellow / orange means notification. But that's not helpful. Still, nothing. Nothing. I said one more. I said 30 more minutes. Lies. Lies were told that there's no way they would trench, tap it, and not have a valve nowadays. Maybe because the buildings were built a long time ago, and that's why there's no street indicators. Okay, maybe these are it. These might be it. These might be it. Oh my God. Yes, these are it. Here you go. Yes, 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 yes. Found you. Found your ass, boy. This is a big box. The water is. The water is a big box, and this is the top of it, and this is the access to it. Because it's pressurized, they don't need to like get into it as much. We found it, guys. We found it. I'm gonna go back to the site, get a couple more spot elevations on like maybe 10 more, 10, 20 more, and then call it a day. So I forgot to say it, but I've been indicating it. We engineered something. We found the line. It was all the way down. It was funny. I should have said, when I was looking for the line, I should have said, let's engineer something.
Okay, so here is my final results for the survey. We got the information from the county, and we also, so we got the water line information. There's an existing 2-inch water line here, and let's look at the final plan. Let's see at the final plans. And the final plans do show the site. So here's the final plans for the new 2-inch water line that we built to this hot place. So it's an office building. The whole thing is 2 inches. There's the calculations. Here's the existing conditions plan. The county doesn't really need you to show the entire property line, so that was fine. So we just zoomed into this area, have the spot elevations because that's required. Here's a new 2-inch line connecting to the PVC water main. And here are all the details. So tell me what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.